There is a kind of inflammation that does not have a wound. It does not announce itself with redness or swelling. It is not located anywhere a doctor can point to. Your blood work shows something elevated. Your joints ache on days when you have not done anything to injure them. Your brain feels like it is running through fog. You catch every illness that passes through the office and recover from each one more slowly than you should. You have been told your labs are fine. You have been told it is probably stress. You have been told to lose a little weight, sleep a little better, eat a little cleaner. The advice is not wrong. The advice has also not worked. This is what the third book in the Lay Reader series is about. It is called ELECTRON BACKLOG, and it explains, in mechanism, the fire that has been burning inside you and the fact that no one can find. Most people think inflammation is the immune system overreacting. The book opens by reframing this. Your immune system is not malfunctioning. Your immune system is doing exactly what it was built to do, responding to something that should not be where it is. The question this book asks, over and over, is what is the immune system responding to? And the answer almost always points to the same place. Your gut. Specifically, the layer of cells that separates the contents of your intestine from your bloodstream. That layer is one cell thick, one cell. It is the most consequential anatomical boundary in your entire body. Inside of it are the bacteria and food fragments that need to be digested and absorbed. Outside of it is the bloodstream that feeds every organ in your body. The fence between those two compartments is single file. When that fence is intact, the bacteria stay inside, and the immune system rests. When the fence develops gaps, bacteria and the molecules they shed leak into the bloodstream. The immune system responds the way it always responds to bacteria. With inflammation, the inflammation is real. The cause of it is not where you have been looking. It is in a fence one cell thick that has been quietly damaged. Now here is the part that connects this back to the rest of the series. The gut fence is built and maintained by your mitochondria. The cells of your intestinal lining are among the most metabolically demanding in your entire body. They turn over every 3 to 5 days. Their replacement depends on robust mitochondrial function. When the mitochondria are running at reduced capacity, as the first book showed, the gut fence cannot rebuild itself at the rate that daily damage requires. The gaps widen, the bacteria leak through, the fire begins. Inflammation is the visible expression of an electron backlog. Electrons that should be flowing efficiently through the mitochondria are spilling out at the wrong points. Producing reactive oxygen species faster than the cell can neutralize them. The cellular damage cascades into gut damage. The gut damage produces systemic inflammation. The inflammation reaches the brain. The book also introduces the other half of the story, your vagus nerve. The vagus is the largest nerve in your body. Among its many jobs is direct control over the inflammatory tone of your tissues. A well-toned vagus releases acetylcholine in response to inflammatory signals, and acetylcholine instructs the immune system to calm down. A weak vagus does not perform this braking action. The protocol section addresses both: the gut repair sequence, the vagal toning practices, the specific foods that calm the fire and the specific foods that feed it, the 6-week clearing protocol that rebuilds the fence and restores the brake. This is the book that gives you the mechanism, and the mechanism tells you exactly what to address. If you have lived for years with a body that feels like it is fighting something it cannot name, Electron Backlog, Why Your Body Cannot Clear the Fire and How to Help It. Lay Reader Edition Book 3 of the Living Energy series by Hornbeak. Read the book.